Hello, everyone, and welcome to another trading episode. Happy New Year, and hope you have already or you are geared up for this new year. Um, in this video, I'm just going to briefly share. Um, as you can see, my screen is trading view. So today, I want to discuss Forex, okay, currency pairs, because it's a new year and I've begun spotting or I've seen some opportunities that um I think would be they have a lot of potential in the following weeks. So I just want to show them, and officially I'm resuming trading currency pairs. So that is to say that probably every week you'd see me come up here and share my setups and share what I think. I'm not going to be trading a lot of pairs though, but probably I'll share where I think there are um, opportunities so that you could take the trade if you want to. Yeah. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So you want to share this video, you want to subscribe, you want to turn up your post notifications so that you could be alerted anytime I drop a chart breakdown analysis or I call out a signal. So I've been prior to this I've been looking at VIX 25 a number of times. There are about like 6 episodes now on it. Um I've still not forgotten about that pair though. Pair currently is bullish. So I'll share more insight on it though. But for now, let's get into today's video. I want to talk about Forex. Okay, um I want to do a chart breakdown on one pair, which is EURCAD. EURCAD is one pair I traded the whole of last year. Last year, um most of my pairs was EURCAD and then GBP JPY because of the massive opportunity that was on it. So, but today I want to show you um what I'm seeing on EURCAD, uh, potential of like 1,000 plus pips. It's going to really take a long time to play out, and there are a lot of pips to grab. So I just want to share what I think. And remember, I spoke about Dodge. Yeah, I spoke about Dogecoin showing massive bullish potential for the future. I did that video. I think maybe episode 5 or 4. You can check out the video and then um make plans for it. Okay. So as I'll also be monitoring it if it's ripe for huge bullish run. I'll call the trade, but you can start getting some Doge coins because currently it is falling. Last I checked, it was falling, but that fall is simply an inducement. Anyways, let's get into this video. So this is my chart on EURCAD. As you can see, I've already marked out um where I'm hoping for price to fall to. um this is a 5 minute time frame though, so let's go from the beginning. Okay, I want to do this analysis clean with you guys on board. Okay, so what did I see, what did I look at? So um Personally, I'm a swing trader. I like to swing because it's it's less stressful, and you don't need to do much once you get an entry and market is moving in your favor. All you have to do is to just be adding positions. So I like to swing trade a lot. But whatever I'm sharing here, if you're not a swing trader, you can still take advantage of it. The most important thing is to know the direction of the market, and then you trade in accordance with that direction. So this is EURCAD. I started this analysis on the monthly time frame. Yes, I'm a swing trader. That's where I usually go to, right? So this is 1 month, yeah. And look at what we have here. We have something interesting. I've marked out a lot of things on my charts. You can even see where I've put potential take profits. So I just want to explain, and then we will narrow it down into the nitty gritties. Okay. So basically, what are we seeing? Usually when you come on the higher time frame, you want to look at the structure of the market. You want to know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, right? So I'm just going to zoom out, right? And you can see that this has been, we can see from or all the way from 2005, right? 2005 to 2025. So this thing as you are seeing here, it spans for like, it's a 20-year span of what price has been doing, 2 decades, right? It is holistic enough, it is reliable enough to get a direction from here. You see, when you get a direction from this side of the market, okay, look at, you are working with 20 years of data, right? So when you are on the higher time frame, like the monthly time frame, it is very difficult for you to miss out on the bias if you get it right from the monthly time frame. Okay, so what can we see when we come to the monthly time frame? I know it looks squishy, and what are all these lines you are drawing, and calm down. Okay. Um I'm going to demystify the mysteries of this pair. Okay. So this year probably, oh, there are only two pairs that I hope to be trading. Probably, maybe, unless I see a different pair with very juicy opportunities. But one of the pairs I'll be trading is EURCAD. That's for sure. And like I said, like there's 1,000+ pip, you know, to grab. I don't know how long it's going to take for all that 1,000 pips um to fully mature. But based on what I've seen, that is what is going to happen. So here we go. So basically, you want to first of all know the structure of the market. Market? What is the market telling you? Okay. Typically, when you have um, we can have a bullish market and a bearish market. If you are bullish, you want to be seeing something like this, right? Okay. Consistent break of structures to the upside, right? And then if you are bearish, you want to see something like this, right? You want to see something like this. Okay. Okay. Right. Like that. This one all the way to the downside, right? So that is what you want to be seeing. That is what you want to be seeing, right? So when we see a market like this, sorry, when we see a market like this, okay, A market like this, you want to buy. When you see a market like this, you want to sell. If you see a ping pong market like this, okay, you just want to stay out, right? This is basic Forex 101, okay? So now let's see what we can see with this, okay? I'm just using this as some form of introduction, okay? So this is the monthly time frame. Now we can see that price started with a high here, right? Price started with a high here, right? You don't really need to talk about all of this, okay? You don't need to start all the way from here, right? If you know what you are looking at. But because I just want you to understand my mindset, okay, or my approach on how I analyze this play, that's why I'm really taking my time to show you my thought pattern concerning this trade, okay, or concerning this asset. So we can see that price made a high over here, right? Price made a high over here. Then we have another high at this side. Do you see that? Right? You might be tempted to call this a break of structure. It is a break of structure, okay? I would explain that pretty soon. So this is a break of structure to the upside, okay? And then price falls all the way, creates this low, right? Then we have a sweep of liquidity on this side. Then based on that, price rallies all the way up, right? All the way up to this side, right? But after price fell from the top here to this side, okay, we can see break of structures to the upside, okay? So price was bullish. So basically, I'm just telling you what has happened for EURCAD in the last 20 years, okay, from 2005 all the way to 2025, okay? So okay, let's say yeah, 2 decades, okay, 2 decades. So price created this low here, right? And then after creating this low here, okay, we see consistent break of structures to the upside. We see one over here, okay. Let me just use this one. So just this small line at the top here, just this small wick, okay. Maybe I might need to zoom it for you to see. Yeah, small wick. Yeah, this one, just this height. Okay, so this is it. So this is the first break of structure. This is the second break of structure, okay. And then we have another break of structure here, okay. If you remember the very first example I showed you, when we see break of structures to the upside, the market is bullish, right? So from the period of from that was 2006 of March all the way to December 2008, okay, so that's like 2 years, EURCAD was bullish. Now I want you to take note of this sweep of liquidity here, okay. Take note of this sweep of liquidity here. Okay, immediately price bought from this level. Okay, broke structure to this height, came down, took out this low, okay, with a sweep of liquidity, and then gained momentum to buy upwards. Okay, this is a very important observation, okay, for a setup. Okay, now from 2008, okay, market just sold off, right? Sold off, and then it came to take out this liquidity. Okay, this level, it took it out, and then I think took some extra one. Okay, took this level of liquidity out, took out this level, and then it rallied a bit down and then bounced all the way up, right? So that is where we enter into 2013. 2013 market was bullish. Now from here, okay, this is where I'm looking at. So the market has been bullish, right? Then now comes to take liquidity at the bottom side. I see break of structures to the upside again. I can see this one, this immediate area I've marked out as red, this red area. Let me just use this arrow to make reference to it. So I can see this red, this dotted red line here. That is my break of structure, okay, to the upside. So I've seen one break of structure over there, and then I've seen another break of structure over here, right? Right, I've seen one break of structure over here. I've seen another break of structure over here. I've seen that in the bid for price to go to the upside from this low to eventually this high of January 2018, okay, in the bid for price to move from this low, that's August 2012, to what's it called, to February 2018, right? We saw break of structures to the upside, and then price created these lows, this first low here, this second low here, and then eventually some lows here. Now these lows are inducement lows, they are liquidities, okay? So eventually when price wants to um come to the downside again, probably when price wants to buy, it will come and use these lows as liquidities to move to the upside, right? So based on that, okay, we can frame our bias. Now, so for this pair, right, till this side, we are still bullish, okay, right? So after price made this high, okay, then we saw some break of structure to the downside, a retest in this other block area, and then price fell. Now as price is falling, it is taking out these liquidities I made reference to, right? And immediately it took out those liquidities, we see that price started being bullish again. Now price being bullish again, we see price break structure at this level, price break structure at this level, and the same price has created these liquidities in the middle. So I'm going to zoom in so that it can be clear, okay? It's the same things, guys, it's the same things. So this is what I was talking about, okay? You see that price broke structure over here, this dotted line I've marked, okay, is a break of structure to the upside. And because this is a monthly time frame, you see it's quite small for you to see it, but when you scroll down to lower time frames, you would see that it is much deeper, okay? So already, I don't want this video to be that long. We are done 19 minutes already. So we can see break of structure over here. So now we are in 2022. We are getting close, right? We are in 2022. So I can see a break of structure to the upside. First one over here. I can see another one over here. Break of structure. There's a full body candle on top here, right? And then this is my other block area that I've marked, okay? An important reference area for price. Because when price got there, 2021 September, it just sold off all the way to the downside. So it's an important reference area for price. Okay, so you can really see that as price was approaching that area again, it's struggling because it's facing some resistance over here, right? So now price has broken structure once over here, another one again over here, and then now it has come to this area to struggling, right? So what I'm looking for is that because price has given me some bullish intentions over here, breaking structure over here to the upside, and price is struggling over here. The next thing for price to do is to come and seek out and take out these liquidities at the bottom side, right? So immediately um this this level is drawn to my attention, right? This level, all these areas are liquidities. Okay, price will come there to take it. Okay, now immediately price comes there and take it, you expect a reversal to the upside. So since I don't know how far price is going to go all the way to the bottom, as you can see, I've marked potential take profit areas, right? Because eventually price will ultimately go all the way down there, but um I don't know. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That's already 1 year already, right? So 1 2 3 4 5. So just this is a whole year in sort of like a range, right? So you just don't want to jump into, yes, eventually price is going to come all the way to this downside, but for now you just want to look at um the immediate um zone that price is looking to act in, okay, which is this, just this first zone where I've marked out, right? And guys, if everything is right from where price is currently, right, to just this bottom, sorry, let me use the measuring tool. It's what's it called, where's my measuring tool? Yeah, from, let me just use this low, let me just use this one to mark it from here, right? Okay, that's like 324 pips. Okay, just to this low, you have a lot of like room to trade, right? So and trust me, depending on the account size you trade, you might not really need all of this 300 pips. Okay, so you you can anticipate a whole move, okay, to the downside, but you do not need to ride the whole move to be really profitable. Okay, so this is just to show you what is available on this pair. So now this looks small, like 300 and something pips is a good amount of pips, but over here, because it's a monthly time frame, it looks like everything is so small. So you can, but ideally what you're expecting to happen is that price would you know, price will come all the way down here. Already I've seen this bearish pin bar over here has swept liquidity on the top side, right? So it tells me that price is going to use that to come down, okay, to take out these liquidities, right? So basically that's what we are looking out for. Let me go to the weekly time frame to make it for you to see how it's going to be expanded, right? So look at that. Okay, so you can see that price came all the way to this, price was bullish from this point all the way to this high, and then it sold off. Okay, created a wick below. I marked out this area. Yes, so we can see that based on this wick coming down, right, it came to take out this liquidity and then bought all the way up. but price will still fall. Let me show you on the daily. I think I saw something on the daily. Yes, so look at this huge candle. So this is still liquidity that price will seek to take out. This is still liquidity that price will seek to take out. Where's my two? This liquidity has not been taken out, right? This wicks below here, and then I can see something. I think there is also another one here. There is also another one here, but there is also another one here. But when you go much lower, like 4 hours, let's see, 4 hours, right? Yes, so you can see that the setup is quite clear from here. Okay, so even from the 4 hours, okay, you can see that focus on this candle, right? Because this candle is an order block, okay, because it caused price to push all the way to the downside over here like this, right? So this area is an important area for price. This is an important reference point for price, right? This is an important reference point for price, right? So price has tested this area once, broke structure to the downside. Now it's returning, okay, to this other block. So what I'm expecting is that probably price will come up here. Look, probably target this liquidity on top here. This liquidity here, right? And then probably sell off, okay. If not, it might maybe probably come to target this one and then sell off rather from there. Whatever the case, okay, this rise to the top, okay, is hopefully you're looking for a sell, okay, on this asset. So basically we are looking for this sell. So we can see that, and at this time around, this area that we marked, okay, is our liquidity. This yellow circle is our liquidity. So probably just expect price to come down, take out this liquidity, and then price will buy from there a bit. So we are expecting something like this. Sorry, we're expecting something like this. Price is going up like this. We expect price to come down, take this dotted green line out, and then probably give us some push to the upside small, then go down further in that wise. But for now, let's just focus on what is most likely going to happen immediately, and that is what I've just elaborated. So I've lowered its I've scaled all the way to the lower time frame, and basically I'm looking for price to just come out, probably take out this liquidity high. So most likely I would like to extend my I'd like to extend my stop a bit above this side, because looks to me like price would want to take out this liquidity, okay, just this wick on top here, okay. So I might look to and keep my stop like this, right, and then my take profit anywhere at this low. Anytime price takes out this liquidity, I'm out. Yes, so basically that is what you would want to look out for. That is what I've seen, and hopefully, if the market conditions are okay on Monday, I'm going to take this trade. Yes, so um, basically that is it. There is so much pips to grab on this pair, on this asset. So um, that will be it for this video. Um, you can give your comments, subscribe, share, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how this new week would unfold for this. And I think Friday is NFP. So usually I don't trade NFP. So yeah, I usually stay out of the market, see what would happen, and then I react. So basically that's it. I'll be commencing um a mentorship session, hopefully the ending of January. And if you are interested, you can just message me on my Telegram. The link is going to be in the post notification, and we can take it from there. It's open for only a few people, so if you are interested, you might just want to hit me up. And yeah, so on that note, this is where I would like to end this video. Um, until another time, have um have a good trading week. Happy New Year once again, and risk appropriately, guys. Risk appropriately. So until another time, bye bye.